Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is thebubsbee, and over here I do natural hair content. Okay, and we like to experiment, all right, with hairstyles. Today I'm going to bring you guys this hairstyle, and I actually did loose twists. Yes, they may look like locks, but they are not, all right? They are a loose twist, and I love doing this hairstyle because it's very quick. It doesn't take as long as doing mini twists. Also, I love that I get a lot of volume with this hairstyle. And lastly, my hair is locked in with a ton of moisture, and I can get longevity with this style. I would like to thank Ajoa Beauty for sponsoring today's video and giving me another opportunity to showcase their amazing products. So let's not let this intro be too long. Let's get into this video. My hair has already been washed and conditioned. It is properly prepped, all right? And it's stretched because I really wanted my hair to have some length while I do this style. Now we're going back old school, all right? We're doing the LCO method, the lock method, reverse and intertwined, whatever. We're going to layer products today because I really wanted to get the hydration. And for my loose twist to last, I need moisture. I need moisture, and I need it to be locked in well. So I'm first going to go in with the Bailment leave-in conditioning styler. After, I'm going to go in with the moisturizing curl defining cream. And to seal that all in, I did add some of the Bailment Protect and Shine blend. Because I'm using so many products at one time, I am going to apply a little bit of each. You don't want to apply too much. Don't be heavy-handed. A little bit definitely goes a long way. I'm going to smooth the product through the section. Then I will detangle the section and then do the loose 2-strand twist. So the key to doing loose 2-strand twist is to first twist your root about 2 to 3 times tightly, and then do the rest of the section loose. So you just want to release your grip, just let go a little bit, and quickly do the loose 2-strand twist. Once you get down to your ends, I do like to do a little tighter just to ensure my hair doesn't unravel, and then I will just coil my ends. So I really do love that this leave-in conditioning styler is thick enough to be used for curl prep prior to using their other stylers, such as the curl defining gel or the curl defining cream, and it packs enough moisture to be used by itself. This smooth, rich, and creamy conditioner is packed with omega fatty acids to complement hair growth and growth retention. So if you're looking for a great hydrator, look no further. This is going to lock the moisture in on your dry parched strands. So now about that curl defining cream. It's going to leave your hair super soft and moisturizing, but also having the added benefit of having great slip. So each section was a breeze to detangle thanks to the leave-in conditioner and the curl defining cream. It's going to give you soft to medium hold, which is perfect for me because I prefer a fluffier look. This defining cream contains baobab and cactus oil as a base, which they are both perfect superfoods with omega-6 and 9 fatty acids. It also has vitamin E, which is a great defense against free radical. Lastly, the Protect and Shine oil blend will boost the shine in your hair and also aid in hair growth. I love applying it to my scalp and also to the length of the hair strand because it's able to penetrate from the inside out. It has baobab, pomegranate, spearmint, prickly pear, and wintergreen oils, which can promote optimal scalp health and shine. I love that I can use this oil in a multitude of different ways. I can add it to my deep conditioner. Like I said, I can put it on my scalp, on my hair strands. You can even use this as a body oil. Now, I love that my loose twist did not take long to achieve. Okay, it was a lot quicker than those mini twists. So it took about 3 hours to install them, which is not that long to me. Okay, I was very happy about it. You can dress these twists up however you want. There are so many different styles I want to create since I have them in. Not too sure how long I'm going to keep them in, but I love that it took little to no effort to do this style, and I can just wear it anywhere I like. So what are we thinking? How are we feeling about this style? I think if you have super long hair to short hair, this style is going to be perfect. Okay, this can be a go-to for you. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Like I said, thank you so much Algebra Beauty for sponsoring today's video. I really do enjoy using their collections. My hair always feels so soft and moisturized, and I get longevity with each style I create.